this. This guy's got the rope, and he's pulling the tree, and the other guy's down there sawing it. He wants to make sure it falls in the right direction, not into the river. So we got to see this timber situation. Well, Eric's gonna come. That's a good teepee pole, you know that? Ah, I shook on it. Well, I guess that's all they're doing, just taking down the one. They're gonna take down more. This is good entertainment, don't you think, Abe?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's cool. Yep. Now they gotta tie up another tree. It's a good idea to hold on to it like that so it doesn't go off into the river. I'm gonna watch. Oh, they've already cut up a whole bunch of them. Oh, well. They're going to just trim things up now.